How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 68 Barracuda Fastback, kind of done as a Resto-Mod. Did a custom steel hood on it, really tough looking. Gives you a nice cowl scoop look. Bumpers have all been re-chromed on the car. The grills and the grill bezels are all the originals. Just a super cool car. It's done in B5 blue, super slick, flat, straight as an arrow down the side. This car's had a rotisserie build on it. The bottom of the car is all the same color as the top. Shiny, nice. It's got a 440 in it, a 727 trans. Got 4-wheel power disc brakes. It's got the Dana 60 in the rear. Tell you, these Fastback Barracudas are tough to find, and this is a very nice one. Got a set of 17-inch Ramblers on it. See, it's got the rear disc. It's got power steering, power disc brakes. Got a mild built 440 in it. Aluminum intake, polycarb on it. See, they did a really nice job doing the hood. It's all steel. Just a cool car. So the doors are all nice and clean. Very clean car. It's got the fold down rear seat, which is pretty cool in these cars. It's got the buckets up front and your center console. Super nice paint work on the car. Nice and flat. Trunk's all been done. Got the fold down that goes through the fold down rear seat. Rear bumper, all the tail light lenses, bezels have been replaced. It's got a 2.5-inch mandrel bent Flowmaster exhaust all the way out the back. They got some 3-inch tips on it. I really like these Fastback cars. They're just really cool cars. It is the original door panels and stuff in the car. They're in good shape. Front seats have been recovered. The rear is the original. Fires right up.
They
They got the 50 series mufflers on it. It's not real loud. Sounds good out the exhaust though. Tell you, it's just a super cool car, guys. The 440 in it, the wheels, the Dana 60, 727 trans. It's got your power steering, the power disc brakes, just a super nice car. Take this thing, go to all the shows, cruises, and enjoy it. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.